Tonight at 6, attorneys for one of the co-defendants in the Georgia election interference case in the Fulton County courtroom today trying to get all the charges against their client thrown out.
Attorneys for Georgia State Senator Shawn Still, the only elected official charged in the indictment, are challenging the validity of the indictment. Karis Belger has been in the courtroom all afternoon. Karis, any decision so far?
And no decision today from Judge McAfee. In fact, a lot of the language that we heard from lawyers had to do with the language surrounding the charges and whether that meant that State Senator Shawn Still should be charged at all. Some of the charges Still is facing include impersonating a public officer and also forging documents. And one of the biggest charges against him pertains to his alleged involvement in signing a certificate falsely declaring former President Donald Trump's victory in Georgia and designating himself as one of the state's qualified electors. His attorney argued the definition of public officer and also the definition of a document in relation to the charges was too vague to warrant Still facing these charges.
My view, obviously I'm his lawyer, but is that Shawn Still should have never been charged in this case. And I now want to present to the court the 4 legal reasons why the substantive counts against him should be dismissed.
Now, I want to mention that we did not have a decision from Judge McAfee today, but in addition to that, there were some questions from him about some of the arguments that were made in court today. So the state has 2 weeks to get some of those answers to the judge, and I understand that the attorneys for Still are hoping to hear a decision after that.
All right, Karis, thank you so much. State Senator Shawn Still's full motions hearing is now available on our app 11 Alive Plus. It is free to download on your Apple, Roku, or Amazon TV device.